In a very welcome news, Reserve Bank of Australia has said that they see some potential in stablecoins and CDBCs. Just to refresh your memory, stablecoins are cryptocurrencies whose value is pegged or tied to that of another currency, commodity, or financial instrument. Whereas CDBC or central bank digital currency are digital currencies issued by central banks. Their value is linked to the issuing country's official currency. So, in this new announcement, the Reserve Bank of Australia has said that the stable coins and other emerging business models and technologies have potential to deliver significant benefits, but they have also noted that the data collection on central bank digital currencies could be difficult if services are delivered via non banks. They have also submitted to an inquiry where regulatory authorities in Australia are assessing the cryptocurrencies. And in that submission, RBA has said that the stablecoins and other digital assets raise important payments policy issues. So, as I mentioned, stablecoins are a type of cryptocurrency which are tied to a commodity or fiat, have often been used as a bridge between national currencies and the crypto ecosystem, and they are increasingly considering a broader range of use cases. Stablecoin activity in Australia has been relatively limited to date, although there is potential for stablecoins to play a more prominent role in the financial system in the future. Some banks, for example, have been exploring the use of stablecoins for facilitating cross-border payments and settlement of tokenized asset transactions. So RBA has already said that it supports the development of regulatory arrangements for stablecoins that support innovation while providing appropriate safeguards and protections for investors and users. It listed work on regulatory framework for crypto assets that is being currently led by Treasury with backing from the Council of Financial Regulators and other regulators. RBA is already actively engaging in CDBC research, but still the widespread official adoption of CDBC is a long way to go in Australia. I'm very keen to hear your thoughts on it. As when do you think Australia will see a mass adoption of cryptocurrencies, stable coins, and CDBCs? Thanks for listening.